Well, I've got me some tomatoes here. We're going to get these cleaned up and we're going to cut these up. We'll cut these little ones in half and then we'll put these into slices, and we are going to roast some tomatoes today and we will freeze those. We're going to add some garlic and some little onions. So I've got my onion in here. I did use some small little onions and I kind of made everything about the same size. This will all soften up and squish down. My garlic here, I did 2 bulbs of garlic, and I'm just going to cut these in half because once you roast them, that gets nice and soft. Went to the garden and got some fresh basil. Some of this is a little bit faded out by the sun, but it's still going to be good. It smells fabulous. We're just going to mix this up. I'm going to add some olive oil to this. And I'm not going to add too much because I don't want to have too much oil in there, but just enough to get this all nice and cooked up and roasted very well. I've got my olive oil here. We're going to add this on. I did put some on earlier, and I'm just going to mix this in better. I've got my oven heated at 440, and we're going to get this all mixed up. I've got sheet pans that have parchment paper on that for easy cleanup. And we're going to get this all added. Well, I'm rather surprised that I was able to get 2 pans full, and there is room in between some of this. And yeah, so we're going to get this in the oven at 440, and we are going to roast this for 40 minutes. Doesn't it look beautiful? So because I have 2 pans, I do have this on convection so the air circulates around it and they cook evenly. And there we have it. A roasted tomato with garlic and onion and basil. We're going to get this cooled off and then put it in some containers and put it in the freezer. Well, this is what I got. These are rough. The containers hold 2.9 cups. So I got roughly 2 cups each container. And we're just going to put those in the freezer. We're going to label those, and I'll add those to my soups, my stews, whatever dishes I'm making for some extra wonderful added flavor. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.